you want something light and healthy for lunch today? How about something without ground beef or pork or chicken, anything like that? Let's use some fresh cod and do a Mediterranean fish in the air fryer. How are you today? Me, I am doing fantastic. We are going to do something light and easy today for lunch. We are going to do some cod, a beautiful cod recipe with Mediterranean flavors because I love Mediterranean food. So let's just get to cooking, shall we? We're going to start by slicing up some onions and some bell peppers. We are going to be using red and yellow today. Now would be a good time. Let's go ahead and get our air fryer preheating because it does take a little bit, and this does not take long to construct at all. We're going to go 350 for about 20 minutes. This, in fact, for some of you out there, this is going to be my last air fryer recipe, my last air fryer dish through the month of June, because we are going to do an entire series in June. I'm going to talk to you while we also chop up some beautiful cherry tomatoes. Through the month of June, because summer is here, I'm going to do a series of burgers. Yeah, they're not your normal burger. They are a burger, but they're going to have my own little twist to them. And we're going to be starting off that month on June 2nd with an upload for a collaboration that I am hosting, my second hosting. It is peanut butter and jelly, an all-time child favorite, with an all-time American favorite, the hamburger. Yeah, peanut butter and jelly burgers. If you want in on this collaboration, I would love to have you. I will put all the tidbits, all the info down in the description below. Right next to that subscribe and like button, and right underneath the recipe that we're doing today. That's it. Let's build us a Mediterranean fish dish. In our baking dish, first thing we want to do is spray it. Just make sure nothing sticks. And we're going to layer. We're going to put down half of our onions and half of our peppers. Just like that. Now, beautiful cod fillets that we got from our local Costco. They are fabulous. I have already made fish tacos with them. I've done just a standard fish and chip with them. But today just feels like a salad day, a fish day, just a nice light lunch. So this is what we went with. Now we're going to take that cod and just lay it right on top of that. And Greek seasoning, because it's Mediterranean. So we're going to sprinkle that right on top of the fish. Let's put the rest of our onions and peppers right on top. And it doesn't have to be pretty because it's just going to be tasty. Doesn't matter what it looks like. Not while it's cooking. My cameraman's over there. It does matter what it looks like when you plate it. And Kalamata olives. I don't think I told you about those. We've also got those, and they're just nicely diced little pieces of Kalamata olives. If you don't like the flavor of Kalamata olives, because not everybody does, you don't have to add them. You can definitely omit them. Try a green olive, might be really good as well. But if you do, let me know what you think. And those tomatoes that we sliced up. Last but not least, feta cheese. And just right over the top. How easy was that? That was what, 5 minutes of prep time, give or take? The air fryer is going to do the rest, so let's get it cooking. It's going to take about 20 minutes, and I'll meet you back here when it's done. We're done. Let's take a look. Oh, it smells fantastic. Holy snapdragons. Mama like. Oh, Mama really like. We've got a great toasting on that feta cheese. The vegetables have softened up. The peppers have softened up. Everything looks fantastic. Let's see how it looks on a plate, though. Oh. Now, I'm serving it with just a little bit of a spring mix salad and some feta cheese. We're just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil now over the top of everything. I'm going in. That's what I'm doing. It's my job, and I love my job. Check, oh, see that fish? Look at that. That is so just flaky good right there. Take an olive, grab a tomato. Oh, the tomato just went smoosh. And let's see if we can get that pepper right there. There's really nothing you can say. When it comes to Mediterranean food, it is so flavorful and so fresh with such simple ingredients. Nothing over the top, nothing. You could put this in your oven, of course. You could also wrap it in foil and put it on your grill. I'm talking to all my grill friends out there. Get that, grill friends? It's kind of funny. I just made that up in my head. But you could totally put this in a foil pouch, stick it on your grill. You're good to go. About 20, 30 minutes and you're done. But as always, thank you so much for joining me here at Annie's Smoking Pot. Until next time, bye. Dude, you gotta take a bite of this.